To integrate Jenkins with Kubernetes for deploying and managing containerized applications, follow these steps. Install Kubernetes CLI. Ensure that the Kubernetes CLI is installed and configured on the Jenkins server. You can install it via the following. Configure kubectl to access your Kubernetes cluster by setting up a context. Install Kubernetes plugin in Jenkins. In Jenkins, go to Manage Jenkins, Manage Plugins. Search for and install the Kubernetes plugin. Configure Kubernetes in Jenkins. Add Kubernetes credentials. Navigate to Manage Jenkins, Manage Credentials, Add Credentials. Create a new credential with the Kubernetes Service Account Token or a kubeconfig file that provides access to your Kubernetes cluster. Create a Kubernetes cloud. Go to Manage Jenkins, Manage Nodes and Clouds, Cloud Kubernetes. Configure the Kubernetes connection. Name, unique name for the Kubernetes cluster. Server URL, URL of your Kubernetes API server. Credentials, select the previously created credential. Optionally configure namespaces, pods or labels for controlling pod deployment. Create a Jenkins pipeline job. Create a new pipeline job. Add Kubernetes deployment steps. 4 pipelines. Save and build. Save the pipeline and trigger it. Jenkins will manage deployments to Kubernetes clusters as specified in your pipeline configuration.